Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you today. Actually, this is my second take. I made this video yesterday and it was perfect, okay? And I was at the tree and I opened the box and the package I got that I was not expecting. But then I realized that I had said the person's city that sent it to me and their last name, and I thought, I need to take that out because I didn't have their permission. So I was trying to take it out and I ended up erasing the whole video. I do want to let you know today that I am making this video with Z. She has a link to where she make her videos, and I said, let me try something different because I normally use I can't think of the name of the other software, but I'm going to try this one and see how it works. I haven't purchased it yet, and it's on sale right now. I'm not being paid to advertise any of that information, but this is free, I think, for 7 days, so I thought I'll give it a go. But let's get started because I only have 2 pairs and that's it. I really wanted to do this I did do this yesterday and I wanted to be done with it. So let's get that out the way first. And they're in Jack because we are finished with the red box. So I'm going to grab Jack and realize that it's already open because, oops, I did it yesterday. So let's start. It was number 11 and 12. So I know what it looked like, but you don't. So meant to be. Yes. Is that the one? Or did we do that one? Uh-oh, you guys. I know it was 12. Yeah, it was this one. If it's not. Yeah, it was 11 and 12. Oh my gosh, you guys, which one did you see? I should have just left it out, but I was so frustrated. We saw that one. What an opening. 9. Okay. Did we do 9? Why is it looking like that? Okay, let's see. If I did 11, 11 and 12, I'm pretty sure. If not, there's the end of the video anyway. Okay, and I'm wondering why this one. It doesn't matter. It's a Merry Christmas, right? So these are the 2 pairs, purple and black. And that's the thing of doing it yesterday. I just totally spazzed out when I isn't those pretty? They are pretty. Beautiful. And have a Merry Christmas, you guys. And then the fence. The reason I may feel like I did it before, it could have been yesterday or it could have been before, so I don't know, but these are the ones we're looking at today. Very, very nice. Bob wire. So yeah, that is the final 2. I want to thank you guys, and this is from Disney. That I do want to thank you guys for hanging with me, those who did. I also want to remind those who did not watch the video, this little guy here need to be named, and I asked you guys to put a name in the in your comment, and there's a little prize that's going to be given out after the holidays. I'll pick a winner after the holidays, and I'll get the prize to you. So if you don't mind doing that, I'm not sure which video it is. I may put it at the bottom, but all you have to do is give my little sleepy guy a name that's not drug related, and that's my sidekick. Okay. That's the other thing. And let's see the Happy Mail that I have here. Okay, I got some Happy Mail that I was not expecting from a beautiful lady. And I say that, I'm not sure, I've never met her. But if you send someone some mail and you've never met them before, They have to have a good soul, a good heart, okay? And her name is Elizabeth. Thank you, Elizabeth. She sent this beautiful card here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Sorry about the light. Okay. Does that not give you the holiday feeling? I say that, but then when I look at the Dabbling Hook, I look at her video in the snow and she's so cold. I don't know how real it is, you know. All we have in California is, at least my part, is cards to look at. And that is beautiful. Thank you for this lovely card. Along with that, and everything is already out because I opened it before and I was really excited. And I like the wrapping that she had because it had this one on it. And there was a gingerbread I was specifically saving to put into my little... Oh, here it go, you guys. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And the paper. So that is going to be a part of my 2020 scrapbook. The other one, the big one that I am going to complete. Thank you very much. Those little bitty gifts, I do like them. And along with that, she sent a beautiful bracelet, okay? Isn't that nice? I love it, love it, love it. Okay. I'd like to thank you again. And along with this bracelet, she sent me just what the doctor ordered. Plenty of tea and actually some sweetener to go with it. And she sent it right on time because I am off work because I have a cold. And whenever you have a cold or a sniffle, they think it's COVID. So I had to go get another test. I don't know if this is the new world, especially when you're in healthcare. Whenever something happens, you have to go get a test. This is getting a little old here. But anyway, it's a holiday. I'm not going to complain. And the bracelet came in this nice little bag here. And I have one other card that I got from Sylvia from Tabitha's Treasures. Isn't that beautiful? My favorite color, blue. So you guys, I'm not going to make this long. This is the end of it. I want to thank you and send you all my blessings that you guys will have a safe and wonderful year. And if you notice a little something right here, this is my granddaughter, and she has a little small business. And if you would like to support that, she has these masks here. And I love this mask, I have to say. Respect the break. It has the little air nose, the little air vent. I've been wearing it, so. And then also it has a filter. And I think you purchased the filter separate. And so you have that filter there too, so you don't think that it's just going through. And I like it. It has this where you can tighten it up or you can loosen it. Very good. I really do like the quality of it. Better than much better than the ones that I've purchased recently this year. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. One more thing I'll share. Purchases that I have purchased this year. The only reason I continue it, I don't like the packagings, and somebody might already have this Scentbird. I have been getting this monthly subscription once a year. I wish it would come earlier. And it's different perfumes. And the only reason I like it is because I get to smell it before I buy it. For some reason when I smell the ones in the magazine, they smell the same to me. But here you can buy it. You can get a sample and then go to the store and purchase it. So I thought I'd share that little thing that I've been doing. I may stop at the end of this year, and try something new. I do like those monthly prescriptions where you're getting something in the mail after working very hard. Love you guys. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed, and safe day. This is Shirley with Jammin' with Yarn, and I'll see you on the next video. And hi to Sata, and hi to Teresa Patton. Patton, I have your your package here, and I need to get it out to you. I want to say hi to Rose at Rose Craft by These Rose. She's such a beautiful lady, and I got to do some business with her. I love her earrings. You guys, I've been saying it all year. If you have not purchased a pair of her earrings, they are wonderful because they are very light and very light to wear. Very light, and that's what I like. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye, and Merry Christmas.